Legal disclaimer, do not try this at home. Me and Cleve are trained professional. No animals or mammals were harmed during the creation of this video, and I'm really sorry, Debbie, that's Cleve's mom. Step 1 in fixing a flat, create the hole. Hole's created.
Is it fake? Oh, it's really going down. Sheesh! Oh, so I got my eyebrows waxed. I drew on myself. I'll be on YouTube looking at how to draw on eyebrows.
Hey everybody, my name is Trey Butler. I'm the CEO of Dalton Distillery here. I want to promote my brand, Responsibly Vodka.
Hey, you can't park there. You can't park there.
Here at Helton Tire today, they asked me to make them up a certain recipe here for these two guys here. This is some gnarly stuff I made for them. It's an ancient recipe I found buried in Murray County, Georgia. I mixed up some gin, sunflower distilled spirit, blueberry, pineapple, and then my favorite thing in the world, I mixed some Carolina Reaper extract.
Oh God. So this week, what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to fix a flat on a car, which we've already done step 1. So between each step, we have a food here that these gentlemen we're gonna have to partake in. We have a horse hoof, a pig foot, we have gravy with salmon, cat food, and chicken tuna dinner, Friskies patty.
Oh, I like Friskies.
Friskies, yeah.
I'm cheap for Friskies.
So now we're gonna give them their first entree. I was raised in crippling poverty will do stuff to a man. It really will lower your standards on traditional cuisine. Not really that bad. Do smell like my neighbor's pond. My bad, y'all. I used to bluegill fish over in this pond and it smelled just like this.
Hell no. Hell to the no.
Step 2, we're learning how to take the tire off the car. We've somehow loosely equated that to eating some sardines or cat food.
Oh God, I'm gonna
Here we
throw
go.
up.
You should try crippling poverty. It'll adjust you a little bit to things.
What are you doing? You're supposed to be doing this.
Bro, I'm just looking at my car and I see both my ass cheeks left and right here. And my family Joel's is right there. Can I like die from this?
No.
Benjamin Franklin. Why is it hard?
Oh God. Oh Jesus, I'm good.
No, Step 3 is plug the hole. We will be plugging the hole with a hole plug. As you can see, we are spraying the tire with soapy water to indicate where the air may be escaping from the inner lining. Okay, this light. Okay, no, he did get some soap on there. Let's be for real.
That's pretty good. My tongue's clean.
Well, you know how to do this. You very well put the work you be doing that.
Don't pull it out.
My eyebrows still attached.
Oh God! Why does it look like that?
No, we're just Put the tire on the car. It's simple. We did have to move, yes. Cleve threw up all over our last set, so we had to readjust. This has been How to Change a Tire with Eat the Freak and Cleve Hall. My bad, Cleve.
Sheesh.
Hopefully you've learned a lot from this video and been mildly entertained by Cleve's compulsive vomiting. We'll see you next week with nobody knows what we will have next week.